This is in the Rag and Skull, Minison Bay. Okay, so this is Mount Bay Skull, and that of course is in Penzance. So, and Paolo do you the Gerdas, the Russian Skull Hes and Po. We're going to walk from here now. Where to first? Pele. Well, Kinzol, Nia Biston Parko Aragani, Ha Promena and Parko Biston Eglos Madron. So it's across these fields here. I think it's going to be a bit wet. We've all got our boots on. To Eglos Madron, the Madron Church. Eglos Madron. So that, Hagawuza. Was the Moors in Eglos, ha Marpesan in Diwati, and Mihail Moors Pelev and Khan Tringainton. Yeah. Well, we don't know what we're going to see in the church yet. We'll wait and see and bring that a bit later on. Then perhaps a stop in the pub for some lunch. We'll also head over to Tringainton, and what exactly is there? Well, Gwelu da, there was a henna, Niel Moos and Visidva Madron, Han Fenton Govenik Agiziana. Okay, so up to Tringainton, and if the weather keeps reasonably clear, we'll have a fine view from the top. The cloud is fairly thick, but there's a few little breaks and a few glimpses of sunshine. So up to Tringainton, have a look around there, and then down to the wishing well, down towards Madron Baptistry and Visidva. Okay, well, Creasy the Dallas, is he put in the Emma? Paris the Dallas? On the old Paris the Dallas? Where? Draining water though. Lewin, now we've climbed up across this field now, come up from Boscasno Laneway. What about the name Boscasno? Any evidence on that? Put it steering Hano.
Well, still Hevel, man, Hano na both dwelling place. As Minji Hana Greer. It's not true that the board in this case means dwelling place. It's more likely that it's tomb, bed.
Why do you think that? I mean, usually board means a dwelling place. What evidence is there that in this case doesn't mean that?
Herwis and Thurvo in Coast, Regan Stumble in 1447, Mil Peswakan States Hadogans, Amarganin and Hinwin Beth Kesno, Beef Cadno, Beth, you tomb.
Yeah, so it seems to be the word Beth, meaning, as you say, a tomb or a grave, and what, somebody's name.